Week's edition of A Ray of Hope, TVJ's Kean Morgan tells us how one foundation is reaching out to families who are having a hard time coping with the loss of a child.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
Telling someone that, they can have another child is like telling someone you can have another mother.
It's an insensitive comment. Founder of the Preemie Foundation of Jamaica, Sarika Sterling, says families of premature babies hear too often.
Just seeing them, you make that connection as a mom and a dad. And when that child passes, it hurts just as much.
Mrs. Sterling not only talks about the issue, she's been through it. She gave birth to triplets, but two died.
I honestly thought that, the next best thing for me to do is to just die.
This gave birth to the Preemie Foundation, an initiative which seeks to connect with and offer support to families of premature babies. Through the foundation, Mrs. Sterling sensitizes the public on how to deal with grieving families as well as organize blood drives. She also provides care packages to hospitals to assist mothers who weren't prepared.
I had nothing prepared.
A beneficiary, Crystal Gail Williams, says that 3 months ago, she was forced to do an emergency C-section at 24 weeks. Her baby died 2 days later. Her wounds still fresh, but the foundation is helping her to heal.
It's a real good support system, knowing that you're not alone.
Mrs. Sterling says long-term, she wants to see hospitals having a fully functional neonatal intensive care unit.
Victoria Jubilee currently only have 1 ventilator. So if you have multiple children being born there premature, you may just be told that, okay, we just can't help that child.
And while she continues to give a ray of hope to the suffering families, a reminder to those who are hurting.
Don't feel as if you need to rush through it because it's just a baby and you can have another one. Regardless of what society thinks or how they react to it, you have a right to grieve.
Let it all out. Cry if you need to.
See how you can make a difference for the next mother or even for your child. So you wouldn't want them to go through the same experience.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kean Morgan.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.